Kia ora guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we're down at the Rakaia River again, going for a bit of a test run, a bit of a play. Lando's just got a warrant of fitness again, so it'd be rude not to take it out. And I'm also leading a full drive club trip in a month or two down here, so I figured I'd come and have a bit of a recce. I got one of my workmates with me, his first time off-roading. Then I got Dad in the Range Rover and my mate Ollie in his disco as well. So should be a fun time. A few deep river crossings we got to test drive. So yeah. Stay tuned, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, well I should have been filming because I had a bit of a struggle going through, but Dad's buried it. Oops.
Where you put your foot down?
I dug holes.
You dug a hole.
There was already a really big hole, which is why I put my foot down, but yeah, now it's a really, really big hole. Yeah, the challenge here, just a bit of a nasty step, nothing too bad but enough to slow you down. Here goes. Water inside. That's always a good fun one. Oh, that was good fun, guys. It was real good fun. You might recognize this also from the subscriber meetup. Yeah, it was a real challenge, especially going first through, really churning all the top like sediment off. But once it gripped up, it was all good. But anyway, Dad's been through. Ollie's going to give it a crack. Should be pretty entertaining. Yes! fun crossing.
Tree across the track. That sucks. I was just staring, getting more jerky.
Yeah. We won't make this first try.
Go, yeah.
I didn't even expect to make that. Well, as you can see, we're back from that trip. This is now being filmed a couple weeks later. Sorry for the shorter video, kind of just ended up being a short time by the time we headed out in the afternoon already. Didn't get much filming done, but it was an awesome day. Lando did great and the other trucks went awesome as well. And yeah, we're all recce'd for the night run, which we'll be doing in about a month's time, so stay tuned for that video. Anyways, seeing as it's a shorter video, I thought I'd give you guys just a little bit more about my time. So, Lando has had some issues lately and we're doing a West Coast trip, not this weekend but the next weekend, so long weekend coming up, and I've got no locker, front locker's playing up. So, you can see here, it's got a cover on it. This is the solenoid for my e-locker, and it's working now. But when I took the front cover off to have a look at it, it was totally locked, and I pushed hard on that solenoid, and a whole bunch of oil came out. So it basically hydrolocked the solenoid with oil, and yeah, just was not working. So I'm gonna have to look at probably some new seals for that, and possibly a breather. I don't know. I'm not sure what would have caused that. Other than that, Lando's pretty much good to go. Oh, minus a front winch as well. The winch is out, being motor's being rebuilt for like the millionth time. Other good news, got a new winch on its way, so you'll see that in another video. I should probably give an update on the $100 disco, seeing as the Ultra 4 race that we were building it for is next weekend, and it's looking like that. Yeah. Well, that's just a bit sad, isn't it? Unfortunately, life just got in the way. The daily driver had a few issues. Lando's had a few issues needing sorting, and then I ended up doing a couple unexpected trips away, so just not had many spare weekends for this thing. As you can see, it's about where we left it. It's lost some airbags and a couple of other small jobs that needed doing. But yeah, so yeah, that pretty much covers that thing. The $100 disco's just, yeah, not really having much luck. Hopefully we're going to get into building it this summer. What else is coming up? Yeah, West Coast trip. Brad's got some new parts on his way for his Zook. He's coming on the coast trip. Today I spent spent a few hours over at Callum's shed. We ripped the gearbox and the motor and transfer case out of his truck to chuck in another auto. So that's been happening as well. So hopefully we'll have a decent bunch of trucks for this West Coast trip coming up. And yeah, Matt's potentially looking at buying another truck as well, so you might see that in the future. Anyway, that pretty much covers it. Bit of a long outro, but I figured, hey, why not give you guys a bit of an update at the same time. Thank you all very much for watching. It's been awesome, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.